Well guys, I'm back in the field. Running my field cultivator. This year has so far been a nightmare. It's dry, very dry, and well, we got a lot of crops that are not doing very good, so let's just hope that things lighten up. But I mean, it was dry when we started planting, and we just kept praying for rain, and it never happened. But anyway, I got about 400 acres of ground that I need to plant some cotton. It was going to be mallow, and it was too dry. I couldn't get in there to plant. I mean, there was no reason to do it because it was just too dry. So anyway, planting date already passed, and we're just gonna see what happens. Field cultivator's doing a real pretty job though. So we're gonna do 400 acres of cotton. That's not my favorite crop to plant. Not that there's anything wrong with cotton. I'm just not very good at it. I've never done it a whole lot. I've only planted cotton one time. It's more expensive and more hands-on. You got to do a lot more spraying. But we're gonna cross our fingers. Hopefully that corn grows. So far it started to grow, but hogs hit it hard. I mean, it's not a good scenario. Even the corn that did come up, it's not going to yield very well. So we'll see what happens. Well, I'm in this field now. It originally was going to be a mallow field, but here we are flattening out some rows. I'm just taking out the rows not because they need to be flat. It's just some of these weeds and grass got away from me, and they got to the point where to burn them down, the chemical that I would have to use is going to get pretty pricey, and I still got some of this diesel that I bought from earlier this year that was cheap. So I'm going to run a field cultivator. We're doing a real pretty job. We're going to flatten it out. There's more ground on that side that is already flat, and we're going to plant cotton on it and hope like hell that it rains. I think this year is just being rough for everybody. I've heard that it's not just here in Texas that's dry, it's a couple other states also. We are expecting some rain, and it's looking kind of dark towards the bay out there. But the rain is really supposed to be coming from the west side of where I'm at. So there's a cool front moving in. I don't know how much rain we're going to get, but we already got some sprinkles on the windshield. I'm hoping I can finish this 80 acres before it starts raining. So looking from that to that, I think it's doing a pretty damn good job.